Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look-see here. We're riding in the pouring rain. Decided to do a second test on my homemade waterproof GoPro setup, and you know, I think it's gonna do good. I have high expectations, very high, but you know, I guess we're gonna find out how it works once it's dry or not. People just, I wonder what people are doing. Everybody's trying to go straight, and you know, they're not sharing lanes between each other. Like this Saab right here is driving slow but not letting me pass. Whoa! I got splashed. Anyway, this is more of like a survival ride. I mean, look at me, I'm fucking soaked already. I'm wearing full wet getup. My gloves are fucking dumbass gloves because I'm a douche. Wearing freaking leather. Ooh, look at that pour. Wearing fucking leather gloves in the middle of the rain. They're gonna be nice and soaked. I'm gonna fucking probably color my hands, make everything pruny. Very exciting. I'm trying to debate if I should go local because BQE is a fucking lane splitting nightmare right now. Everybody and their mama is fucking stuck in traffic like a bunch of sardines. But you know, I don't want to play that shit. Oh no, it's not for us. We're gonna have to wait some more. There's something very special about riding in the rain, and the rain actually stopped. Like a second ago it was pouring really hard, but now you can't even really tell. I don't know, I really do like riding in the rain. It's a special little experience, just because it doesn't make a lot of sense. Like, I mean, living in the city, I can most definitely just take the subway train, or you know, take a cab. Well, cab would take forever. I could take a bus, but when I head out on my motorcycle, it's literally like a fucking adventure, you know? That's what I really dig. The fact that, what are these people doing? Not exactly sure. I'm gonna go between these posts here. Should I go on BQE? No, I should not. I should go local. These people taking their sweet time or what there, Grandpa? Yeah, BQE is fucked. Local is going to be more frustrating because people are like just scared all around, I think. But let's go local. Woohoo! Fuck it! Yes! It's a wet ride, bruh. And this truck, what are we gonna do with this truck? Is he going across, or? This fucking guy is going so slow. I really want to pass him. What is this fucking guy doing? Fucking jerk off. Driving like a fucking pussy. This guy sucks. I should definitely go around him though. There's no need for me to be stuck in between fucking this guy. He's not even pulling up to the top. So it's all good. I'm gonna check the mirrors, make sure everything is visible. We're good. Lens plate to the front over here. It kind of stopped raining, so it's not as extreme, not as crazy anymore, but it's still a good time. Right now we're in Williamsburg. This is like East Williamsburg. If you look right above us, those train tracks, that's a JMZ train, and to the right is Marcy Projects, where Jay-Z is from. And I mentioned it before, but that's a ridiculous coincidence. I always say Jay-Z. JMZ train. So anyway, these people don't really care about any of these things, you know. They're gonna just block the fucking road like a bunch of scumbags. Every man for himself in this town. I mean, look, like literally, they're like, there's nowhere to go. And now that when the light turns green, this traffic won't be able to go. Because this Jeep right here is doing some scumbag shit. But, you know, they don't care. Let me get through, yo. You fucking prick. Look at this fucking minivan. Are you going? Fucking prick. What a fucking asshole. That's all I'm gonna say this whole episode. I'm gonna see how long I can go through the episode by only saying fucking prick and what a fucking asshole. We'll see. We shall see. But I'm definitely going past this fucking bus and this truck and this fucking Honda. Everybody's getting past because I'm not interested. I don't even know where we're going right now. I feel like we're you know, headed in some sort of a direction, but I don't know if it's the right one. And BQE, like the road that I usually take, is right below us there, and not exactly sure what's going on here, but it's gonna be all right. Oh, look, that looks like there's like a big fucking accident there. Oh, crazy. Look at that shit. That's what's happening. Look, there's a fucking truck. Can you see it? 18-wheeler turned over. That is nuts. Look at all those fucking cops. That is crazy. How does an 18-wheeler fucking tip over? God damn. That is some shit. That is definitely some shit. And these two buses are like driving next to each other nice and slow. That's cool. Oh, it's not even a lane here. Yeah, that was bananas. It's a damn shame I wasn't on the BQE today, because I would have gotten a much closer and crazier look. But it's alright. These people in front of me are quite possibly police. Or maybe not. I can't really tell. And I don't want to find out. No, I don't think they're police. I think they're just regular people. I cannot believe the rain stopped. That really chaps my ass. I was trying to do some crazy riding in the rain, in the pouring rain, but now it's just a little bit wet. Yeah, that truck flipping over, man, I don't know what happened there, but it's just a nice little reminder to fucking keep it together, keep it calm. Damn, I have a pin lock system, and the shit literally is fogging up. I think it's probably because I'm yapping and I'm not moving. This is like really frustrating. I don't know why I decided to go local. Now I don't get it. Now I'm not sure. Because I am stuck in traffic. Please move. This person is not gonna put on his turn signal, are they? Nice. My windshield is really fogging up. I'm shocked. It's supposed to have pin lock. And now we're cruising, and I can't see shit. I'm gonna open up the old crack there. just a little bit. Fort Greene, that's where we're at now. Fort Greene. Whoa, wetness, moisture. Damn. Going around all these suckers at speed. Oh, beautiful, beautiful ride. The bike is feeling nice. We're zooming along. Not too much to complain about, I'll be honest with y'all. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Not a big deal at all. Nice. Look at that black limo. Ooh boy. Sticking out, bruh. But what are you gonna do? It's like a party van. Nice. These people are chilling, eating some breakfast while I'm fucking cruising, minding my own BR. Should I go down that way? No, I don't want to be waiting around on red lights. But my fucking visor is definitely fucking fogging up. What a beach. Nice. Nice of you to switch lanes. Nice and casual there, suburban. It's alright. Everybody's getting taken though. You know, like over here. Unless it's a fucking green light and we all go through. I'm the motherfucker who'll make it. And this fucking guy switching lanes left and right. He's not sure what to do. And these guys are not sure what to do either. Here we go. Let's do it, people. Fuck. This fucking person sucks. I'll definitely get in front of them. They're fucking taking their sweet time. It's a soccer mom in a soccer SUV doing soccer shit. We don't have time for that. Right in front of us to the right behind that red brick wall is Brooklyn Navy Yards. And there used to be, I don't even know what it was. It was like all these fancy ass mansions and all this crazy shit. You know, but now it's all half destroyed buildings. Meh. This was fun. I mean, I want to apologize for getting cranky and frustrated with everyone. I'm like an impatient fucking brat. I probably should not be riding a motorcycle being this cranky, you know. And I can't see. Why do I have a foggy visor? I'm not into that shit. That blows. I haven't had a foggy visor in fucking forever. And I was all proud of my pin lock. Now look at this goddamn shit. Now we're back in Dumbo. Easy peasy. Could have stayed on the highway, could have caught the fucking wreck closer. Ugh. Never know. You never know. When you're gonna win some, when you're gonna lose some. That's life too, you know? Oh God. For the love of fucking Pete, these people suck. They're gonna go so slow. Should I go down that way? Yeah. That person is gonna take 6 hours to go down cobblestones. And that's not the games that I play. I play the quick games. Oh fuck, pothole of God. What is this? Is this a fucking dead end? It is a dead end. No, it's not. This is a little road. Ooh. Look at this shit. Look at the view over here. Oh. I wish GoPro would show shit to scale. Because right now, that Manhattan Bridge right there looks fucking marvelous. Oh, it looks beautiful. I love this view. We need to open up the street. It used to be open, but now it's all closed up. can do like a nice burnout or make some noise. Oh my god, it's these people, and they're fucking going 2 miles per hour. Here we go. Cobblestones, cobblestones. We're in the middle of cobblestones. Cobblestone City, cobblestones, cobblestones. Today it's actually a little more dangerous just because there's a lot of puddles, and I can't tell how deep the puddles go. You know? How deep do the puddles go, bro? But we're gonna go this way and see what we can find as far as puddle holes go. Yes. This is a crazy like power plant supply thing here. You know? Whoa, no hands, gunning it. Whoa, 2 motorcycles, or 1 moped and 1 motorcycle. That's cute. We're gonna go this way though. Yes. Woo. Hey. Look at this fucking gorgeous shit. Oh, I love this city, man. The views. I'm a sucker for views. When I go to fucking like Rio or I don't even know, Tokyo, like it's always about the views. And them views are sexy as hell. I'm gonna see if I could go through oh, look at that Triumph. It's been here for a couple days. Parked on a corner. I have this secret mission that I've been meaning to do, and right now might be the day. Oh god, I really want to ride through here. Yes, that was not legal, but that was really fun. Well, that was actually a lot of fun. I'm not as wet as I thought I was gonna be, so kind of fail on that. What you gonna do? Sometimes you just, you know, you don't get as wet as you wanna, right? That's what everybody says, at least. Oh, I like it a lot. I'm a big fan. I just love riding in general. It's fucking cool as hell.